we're making no-bake lemon layer cake. This pound cake may not look that exciting, but I'm about to transform it into a spectacular dessert.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So, I got my pound cake, and we're gonna transform it into something that is fantastic. I mean, look at that. So we're gonna turn this single cake into a layer cake, and that means we need to slice it. If this is straight out of the freezer, it's pretty easy to cut. We're gonna hit layer 1 with some blueberry jam. You can put whatever layers you want in here. We've got 3 opportunities for flavor with our 3 layers. We're putting this right on top. We're gonna hit it with some lemon curd. Go with the lemon curd right here. Super delicious. Very smooth. So I'm using blueberry and lemons, but remember, this is super customizable. Layers equal opportunity. Opportunity for you to choose what you want. We're gonna put on the top layer here. Dun, dun, dun. So we've added a whole bunch of flavor here in our layers. It's definitely gonna taste awesome, but now we need to make it look as awesome as it's gonna taste. We could add some whipped cream right now, or we could whip up egg whites and make meringue. We've got a nice big bowl. We need egg whites with absolutely no yolks. That's how you make a meringue. A nice flat surface, you crack that egg right on there, and you put it right into your hand, and then ever so gently get all that white to fall through, and you get a yolk right over here. And then you repeat the process. Remember, food costs a lot of money when you throw it all away, so do not throw away these egg yolks. I'm gonna make a delicious carbonara with it. The Struggle Mixer 2000, AKA my arm and a whisk. We're putting air into these egg whites right now. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of cream of tartar. It's a stabilizer, and it's gonna make sure that those air bubbles stay within the egg whites. So this is the point where I remind you that if you have an electric mixer or a stand mixer, please use it by all means. It's so much easier. We live in the future. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. It's gonna add delicious flavor to the meringue. And we're gonna do it a little bit at a time. You can see the cream of tartar is doing its job, right? It's sort of holding this marshmallowy, soft peakness. We're looking for stiff peaks here. Remember, this is no bake, so we want it to hold its shape. Don't be fooled by that little curl at the top. That's a stiff peak. We've successfully made meringue, so let's start beautifying our lemon layer cake. This is our big opportunity to dress up the pound cake. All right, we're putting the lemon curd on now. Cake decorating has always been one of my favorite pastimes. That looks fantastic. We're gonna make this look even better by adding some fresh blueberries on top. And now for the final touch, a toast of the meringue under the broiler. I'm staying right here to watch. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. It's ready. Wow, we got it perfect. So this cake used to be a 0, but look at it now. It's a hero. It's gone through an amazing transformation. Let's cut into it. It was a pound cake before, which is really one of my favorite cakes, but now it's got layers. It looks exciting. It looks like I went to a fancy French bake shop and I just picked this up for a ridiculous price. But I didn't. This only costs $1.30 a serving. How does it taste? We're about to find out. Let's get all 3 layers in here. Here we go. It's delicious because pound cake is delicious, and all we did was jazz it up with some simple ingredients that we have around the house.